love Chipotle. Chipotle is my life. Have you seen the little dog that goes? You haven't seen it? Thank you for guys. What? Bro, I'm killing it.
And this week you may have seen that we released a brand new product, Hyper Shield. Hydro Shield. So stick your tuner in your.
As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage, and I will see you guys next time. Really, bro, my crotch? The Big Blue Stiffy is nice, it's stiff, it's hard, it's gonna.
Oh, Jason's butt is backing up in there, man. You backing up a dunk. Oh, he twerked it, bro.
Can you hear me here?
I can, I don't know.
She's talking to the Verizon guy. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Good?
You're actually perfect well for the microphone.
Okay. Pro tip, always make sure the tip is always all the way in my haircut. My haircut is in the way.
So this is gonna clean up light things like dirt.
Or fold it. Having a tough time getting started here.
I really love you. I really do. I really wanna see you queen through and through. I don't think I'm gonna put that part in at all.
Well, I'll tell you, Tire Kicker is actually a water-based dressing that could be used on both interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. So you can use it on things like door panels, dashboards, center consoles. You can even use it on exterior surfaces like trim, tires, and anything of the.
Matchmaker, matchmaker, match me a match. Find me a find, catch me a catch.
I had a girlfriend teach me this trick once.
Thank you guys for picking up your.
Damn. I'm on fire, baby.
Looks like a wet dog. Check out these products on our website, chemicalguys.com, or at your local detail garage, Amazon, Walmart, Costco, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, some guy's trunk.
Guys, what's up? It's your boy Jay back at it with DGLA.
Oh!
All right, guys. Oh, what happened? Come on, bro.
Look at me, man. Look at me, man. No, look at me, man. I love you, man.
Oh, we need Henry on set. Oh, too tight for him to open up the pickle jar.
Record this.
Damn. Wow. Joey just got his pickle jar open, bro.
Hey Joey, say potato, carrot.
You watching me?
It's a gel, it's thick. She's so damn thick and juicy, and man, you just wanna just melt her in your mouth. What's up?
It's not letting Buford do his magic. Jason ain't gonna be too proud.
Oh! That was not smart.
Size matters. Some people like it big, some people like it small.
Pressure washer wand too long? That sounds so bad. Is your pressure washer wand too long? All right. In 3, 2. Is your pressure washer wand too long?
Nobody likes a finger navigation screen.
Cake. Big cakes.
And now it is time to grab Galactic Black.
Ooh, ooh. You're fired. Big smiles, everyone.